He's the summer associate I told y'all about, the one from Harvard Law. He invited me to a community event.
So what's this boy's name?
Barack Obama.
This is just one day in their lives, but it's such a cool day, and it makes you really believe in the power of love and the power of two people who are both impressive and intelligent in their own regard coming together to create a couple that's even more powerful than either of them could have been alone.
So why did you come to Chicago?
To try and make a difference.
Thought I would too. Maybe I'd help women, empower them.
You and I share a lot of the same interests.
That's sweet of you, but I'm an ice cream kind of girl.
Who doesn't like pie?
When I saw her at the DNC, I was like, I felt so, I've never met her, but I felt like I knew her.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I felt proud. I felt like the Michelle I played, that's her.
Yeah.
Her passion, her like wit, her, like I was like, oh my God, I played her.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I was like screaming because she was so lit up and on fire, and I just kept thinking, okay, I think we did good.
Yeah.
You want some?
Sure.